Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about how I identified and mitigated financial risk, a six-step approach. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Identifying and mitigating financial risk is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial standing. Here's a six-step approach I use to effectively manage financial risks. 1. Risk identification. I began by identifying potential financial risks, including market fluctuations, credit risks, and operational challenges that could impact my financial stability. 2. Risk assessment. Next, I assessed the likelihood and impact of each identified risk. This involved analyzing historical data and forecasting potential scenarios to prioritize risks. 3. Develop mitigation strategies. For each prioritized risk, I developed specific strategies to mitigate them. This included diversifying investments and securing insurance coverage against unexpected losses. 4. Implement controls. I implemented controls such as setting limits on exposure to high-risk assets and establishing a budget to ensure financial discipline. 5. Monitor and review. Continuous monitoring of financial performance and risk exposure was essential. I regularly reviewed financial reports and adjusted my strategies based on changing conditions. 6. Seek professional advice. I consulted financial advisors for expert insights and validation of my risk management strategies, ensuring a comprehensive approach. Conclusion: by following this structured approach, I successfully identified and mitigated financial risks, safeguarding my financial health. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.